What are intrinsic and extrinsic features of literature? My name is Jennifer du Plessis, and this is the question we will be answering today. As a starting point, remember that when we refer to literary texts, we mean poems, novels, short stories, or plays. Typically, it is difficult to talk about all of them together, but for the purposes of this video, we are just going to focus on the existence of these texts. In actuality, determining intrinsic and extrinsic factors in text can be quite a lengthy process, as different texts refer to different criteria, so keep this in mind as we explore these concepts. So, what are intrinsic and extrinsic features? Simply put, intrinsic features refer to aspects that are inside an object, while extrinsic features refer to aspects outside an object. In a literary sense, this means that intrinsic features are about the text itself, the written words and everything they could mean, for example, whereas extrinsic features focus on everything outside the text. This can be about the writer who wrote the text. Who were they? What was their life like? How old were they? Were they rich or poor? We can also ask questions about the time the text was written. For example, what historical period? What political aspects could have informed the text? We can also look at ourselves as readers and ask how our interpretations are affected by our own circumstances, our own subjective view, our own backgrounds. These features are important to think about because they very often inform the way we approach literary theory. Some theories are focused on the intrinsic aspects, while others are focused on the extrinsic aspects. Some look at a mixture of the two, depending on when the theory was formulated, but more on this later. And there you have it. Feel free to share, like, subscribe, or comment any questions you may have about this topic or any question about literary theory in general. We may even do a video about your question. Thanks so much for watching.